I have an idea, a vision, if you will, plus a way to bring it to life. So here's my nail inspiration. I've been seeing these beautiful cherry blossom nails against a turquoise French tip background. So I decided I'm going to recreate them, featuring BTArtBox nails. And I want to see if I could stretch the wear of my BTArtBox nails. I'm going to attempt to revive a set that I took off a couple of months ago. I'll also be using this green-blue color from a Model 1's pastel set. And these cherry blossom stickers. So let's make it happen. So first things first, we're gonna have to prep these nails, child. So there's gel glue residue on the inside of the nails, which we'll have to get rid of. With my handy dandy nail file and my handy dandy reader's towel, so I can see these things up close. So I also pulled out these nippers to help me get some of the glue residue out. And then I use the hand file to smooth out and reshape the cuticle area on the nails. I also take the buffing block to buff off the top coat so that I can apply polish on them. Now, even though I prepped all the nails, I went a little drill happy on some of them. So I'm quite sure that I can reuse BTArtBox nails that I've already taken off. But I think next time I'll just use the hand file or maybe some acetone. But that's it for this particular nail set. I'm just going to break out a fresh set. It was just a little experiment I wanted to try. So I just went ahead and broke out the box. It's not like I don't have more. Of course, we're going to start with a little bit of nail prep, dehydrating the nails, and then using primer. Next up, some base coat. And I'm going to be adhering them with the Gap Fill Solid Gel from BTArtBox, using the whole system today. I really like this product because once I place the nail on, it is on there. But once I start pressing down, I do get some spillage, so I use a nail tool to clean up on the sides. And I'm just flash curing in my Savvyland Flash Cure. And once I've got everything on, we give it a full cure in my big lamp. Now I like to cure for 90 seconds just to make sure, child, just to make sure. Now to seal my edges, I'm just going to be using a little bit of 100% pure acetone and just going around the cuticle area to blend it in with my natural nail a little bit more. So now's a good time to check in and see that it took just about 45 minutes to attach the nails. And now the nail art begins. And this is the meticulous part. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So I figured because the nails are already matte, I didn't need to put down a base gel layer. In hindsight, maybe I should have, but hey. So I just used the flash cure lamp to freeze in place. And I essentially put 2 layers of the turquoise on the tips, using some rubbing alcohol to clean up any spillage. The nice thing is that the white French tip is a great guideline, so I didn't have to worry too much. So I repeated that for all the nails, and so this is how my left hand is looking. And now we get to decorate. The fun part. I just randomly placed the cherry blossoms, varying the size, shape, placement, but at least they'll all be cohesive. And then we're going to go in with the builder gel layer, which winds up encapsulating everything and strengthening the nail. And then we top off with top coat. Overall, the entire process took me about 3 hours. But look at how they turned out! Ah, so cute! They're just gorgeous. I've never painted the French tips on BTArtBox nails before, and I think I'm gonna probably try doing it again. I love using BTArtBox nails because even though this was a little bit time consuming, I don't think I would have been able to draw aqua blue French tips. I don't even think I could have drawn white French tips on my own. So it's definitely easy to do. If you're meticulous like me and you take your time, then, you take your time. And because I'm doing my own nails, I started one evening and finished up in the next morning. But I'm sure gonna have a smile on my face for the next week. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.